Good day, everyone. This is Emma. I'll be teaching you how to create Facebook page. So first thing you have to do, you have to log into your Facebook account. After that, click on this button. This is a profile icon here. Come to page. So after that, click on create. Get started. So after you name your page whatever you want it to be. So I'll be using Moise Design. So you can choose your own perfect name. Make sure you choose an attractive name whenever you are trying to create your page name. So click on this. So you have to choose a category. Whatever your category, just take the search. So I'm into graphics. So after that, just click on create, and your page will automatically be created. Thank you, everyone.